Aviation This Week is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Mitsubishi Heavy Industries to acquire Bombardier Canadair jet program. Then the Pilatus PC-24 receives Transport Canada certification, and Saint-Jacques returns to Earth. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI, reached a definitive agreement to acquire Bombardier's Canadair regional jet program for a cash consideration of $550 million US, plus the assumption of approximately $200 million US in liabilities. Expected to close during the first half of 2020, the deal means MHI would acquire the CRJ series aircraft, including type certificates and related services in Montreal and Toronto, as well as centers in West Virginia and Arizona. The acquisition aligns with the existing Mitsubishi SpaceJet commercial jet series, which is still awaiting certification from regulators. There are more than 1,900 CRJ regional jets in service today, with some 120 operators in 90 countries. The CRJ production facility in Mirabel, Quebec will remain with Bombardier, which expects its CRJ production backlog to conclude in the second half of 2020. The deal leaves Bombardier with two core competencies in rail and business jets. The Pilatus PC-24 business jet has received Transport Canada certification. Livero, which is the exclusive distributor of the aircraft in Canada, states the first Canadian-registered PC-24 will be delivered this summer. The PC-24 achieved EASA and FAA certification in December 2017. Since then, more than 30 PC-24 aircraft have been delivered, collectively flying over 6,000 hours globally in a range of operating environments, from corporate transport to air medical critical care. The PC-24 is branded by Pilatus as the only super versatile jet in the world. Operators have access to almost twice as many airports worldwide when compared to other jets on the market. This is largely due to the PC-24's ability to safely land on unpaved surfaces and its short field performance, akin to the aircraft maker's popular PC-12 turboprop series. Livero also points to the PC-24's larger cabin space with flexible interior configuration, greater payload capabilities, improved safety, and quiet power mode. Canadian astronaut David Saint-Jacques returned to Earth on June 24th on board a Suez MS-11 with its capsule landing flawlessly in Kazakhstan. Arriving at the International Space Station on December 3, 2018, just as the orbiting science lab was approaching its 20-year anniversary, Saint-Jacques has set a record for the longest mission in space by a Canadian at 204 days. On April 8, 2019, Saint-Jacques also became the first Canadian Space Agency astronaut to participate in a spacewalk since Dave Williams in August 2007. Saint-Jacques and NASA astronaut Anne McLean spent 6.5 hours outside the ISS, during which time they relocated a battery adapter plate and connected electrical cables, establishing an alternate path of power to the station's robotic arm, Canadarm2. One of Saint-Jacques' primary missions focused on Canadian health science experiments designed to make space travel safe for humans. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Register today for Careers in Aviation 2019, taking place on September 21st at the WestJet facility in Mississauga.